Hey guys, today I've got the Breville Bambino Plus. I'm going to take you through a simple cleaning guide. Now, for starters, you might notice that the three buttons on the front might be flashing a little bit, and that tells you that you need to descale the machine. Maybe the first two buttons are flashing, and that means you need to do a backflush on it. So simply put, if the three buttons are flashing and you want to descale, follow the instructions on the descaler. You would have a water canister completely full of water. Make sure your drip tray is completely empty. Follow the instructions to dilute this, put that into the back container. Then with the machine off and completely cold, we're just gonna hold down button 1 and 3. Now that's gonna kick into our descaling mode and you'll see the lights come on. Then once you set yourself up with a container that's gonna catch a fair bit of water, make it like a 2-litre container, put that underneath your steam wand and your group head and push the button. And that's going to go through a full descale cycle. And when it's ended, just hit it again and put it through the cycle again. And once you've done and you discard that water, just do a water flush through the head to make sure you've got all that out. Then we'll take the container out, we'll tip all that water out, and we'll refresh that water. And we'll also empty our drip tray, ready for cleaning our portafilter and doing a backflush. So doing a backflush on here is really easy as well. You're gonna need your group handle. Pull this guy out and let's put our single basket in there. Grab your little silicone rubber, that sits in there, much like a blind basket, doesn't let the water through, just forces it back through the machine. And we're just going to use one of the standard tablets that come with the machine. Now you can buy this in bulk and it's much more cost effective. And you can use a small scoop of something like a Feddo if you have that. But all of these products you can buy from artisti.com.au. We recommend really every kilo of coffee that you put some chemical through and do a good backflush of your machine. Keep it clean, make it last longer, and the coffee will taste better. So now you've got your silicone in there. Just put the tablet in the center of that. Now the machine obviously needs to be hot while you're doing this, so it actually dilutes that tablet. So we're going to put the portafilter up into the machine. Now we do want the machine to be hot for this. We want to make sure we've got a full container of water and that drip tray is empty. Hold down button 1 and 2. They'll flash, and then you just hit button number 1 to activate that backflush. Let that cycle run through, and then we'll check that the whole tablet has been dissolved. If it hasn't dissolved, you just put the cycle back through again, and then rinse some water through the head. So your machine's all nice and clean now, but lastly, let's just put a shot of coffee through the portafilter. So we're going to season the group head. We're going to make sure that we've got any residual chemicals out of the machine. And then obviously wipe it all down, rinse off the portafilter, and you're good to go. This will prolong the life of your machine and make your coffee taste even better. So you can grab these products from artisti.com.au, grab some coffee beans, and enjoy plenty of other videos all about how to make great coffee at home. So thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't to the channel. Cheers, talk soon, bye.
Hey Jimmy, talk soon, maybe see you soon.
Talk soon.